Hello world, Shelly here, and today I'm coming at you from the bathroom because I am going to show you guys how to make bleach tie-dyed t-shirts. That is why I'm wearing a white t-shirt right now, just in case I get bleach all over myself. And I made a few bleach tie-dye t-shirts a while back, and I asked you guys if you wanted a tutorial on how to do it. You guys said yes. I know it was a while ago, but I finally got myself some more t-shirts, so today I'm going to show you how to do it. Here is an example of one of the t-shirts that I made in the past that I had showed you guys. And this was originally a black t-shirt, and it is now black and orange. You never really know what undertone the black had when you start, so you never really know what your bleach color is going to turn out to be. In this case, it turned out to be orange. And let's take a look at how to prep and what you're going to need. First up, find yourself a three-legged cat. Or a four-legged one. In terms of supplies, I recommend some latex gloves. You will need some bleach. I like the low splash bleach. This is just generic up and up from Target. In order to make it easier, I like to put my bleach in a squeezy bottle, so I just repurposed an old dish soap bottle. Make sure you let people know that it is bleach. You will also need some rubber bands. I, of course, could not find my bag of rubber bands, and so I'm going to repurpose some hair ties. You will also need t-shirts. So here is t-shirt number 1. Now, the way that you kind of fold up these t-shirts will determine what kind of pattern you're going to get from the bleach. So this one has a nice sun, so I think I'm going to do a twisted sort of spiral design. So in order to do that, you start at the center where you want the beginning of the spiral, and you just sort of bunch it up and twist. And keep on twisting until the entire shirt is all wrapped in a circle. Once it's all wrapped up, you're just going to put a handful of rubber bands around it. For shirt number 2, I'm going to do a triangle fold. Daffy, I'm not going to tie-dye you. So first I will fold the shirt in half. Then I'm going to fold up like a triangle. So this side over, this side up, kind of like you're folding a flag. Fold it over one more time. Then same thing, just use a bunch of rubber bands and tie it up. For my Goonie shirt, I'm going to make sort of an accordion and just sort of bunch it up from bottom to top into a nice long sort of squiggly snake here. I'm gonna fold it in half at the center, and then I'm gonna wrap it up long ways. There's no real rule as to how many rubber bands you should use. The more you use, the more patterning you'll get. So the next step is bleaching. I recommend wearing some gloves just to protect yourself. I would also make sure that you're wearing clothing that you don't mind destroying, just in case things go awry. We are dealing with bleach here. So I do this in the bathtub so that it is less messy. You can do this outside as well if you want to avoid having bleach fumes going on in your house. With the ones that you spiraled, you're going to want to put your bleach on every other section of the spiral, and then make sure you note which ones you did it on so that when you flip it over, you get it into that same triangle. So that is how I do it anyway. Take your bleach, and you want to saturate it pretty much all the way through, but just on those triangles. You don't have to be precise here, because after all, it's tie-dye. You'll see pretty quickly it starts to change color as the bleach starts to activate. Set it aside and repeat on the other one. For this one, I'm just going to go every other section. Again, precision is really not important. On the triangle one, I'm just going to kind of go everywhere. Ooh, see what's going on here? Another orange one. Now we are going to leave these for about 10 minutes and come back and rinse them out. Alrighty, time is up. I'm going to take the rubber bands off and rinse these out. The cats have been locked out because I don't want them to get bleach all over them. And let's do this, shall we? Alright, I'm going to go run these through the clothes dryer. I will be right back to show you how they turned out. Here are the results. there you have it. That is how I do bleach tie dyeing. I think my favorites, I'm tied between the Sublime shirt and this here Goonies shirt. So that's it. If you guys try this, I would love to see what you come up with. Tag me on social media. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. And thanks a lot for taking some time out of your day to geek out over nerdy t-shirts with me. I appreciate your time, and I hope you guys all have an awesome day or night wherever you are in the world. Take care of each other. Bye-bye.